Maximum operating efficiency. Everyone talks about it, but not everyone is able to maintain laboratory values in practice. In condensing boiler technology, the efficiency depends on a number of key factors: the boiler design, the heat exchanger, and the heating system. That is why the Cleaver-Brooks ClearFire condensing boilers are the ideal choice. The ClearFire doesn't just come out on top in the laboratory, it lives up to its promises in real-life system applications. The overall design has been developed with the highest levels of efficiency in mind. The high water capacity resulting from the heat exchanger design and the associated buffer effect provide multiple advantages to guarantee high system efficiency. With the large water volume, the boiler has a very low waterside pressure drop, resulting in reduced pumping energy through the boiler. Also, since the large water volume has a built-in buffer tank effect, boiler cycling is further reduced, increasing the overall operational efficiency of the ClearFire boiler. If you're looking for an efficient, reliable boiler, then the Cleaver-Brooks ClearFire is your ideal choice for the lowest total cost of ownership.